To solve this problem, we will go as following. First of all, I created one string that represents all the 26 letters and the 10 digits, and then two strings which is now representing also the corresponding one. To make our life easy, I'm going to create a dictionary where I am mapping every character from here to a character from here. So let's iterate over the length of the string, and every time create an entry in dictionary comprehension with the from string to the to string. Now the problem is very trivial. You iterate on the string. If the character in the string now it's lower or a digit, you just get the map of it, concatenate it. That's trivial. So here with the list map idea, we made the problem really very simple. In the second problem, which might for a while seems like a very hard problem, but the truth is it isn't that hard. We would like to sort by type. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to make use of the fact that every data type has a type, and types are immutable. So I can create a dictionary that map from the type to the list of items that appeared in the sequence. So now iterate on the item, get its type, and set a dictionary of t, append the item. For example, here in this example, we read 10. 10 is integer. Now map of integer has a 10. Map of string has most. Map of 2.5. Map of float has a 2.5. Map of integer append 7. So now map of integer has 10 and 7. Map of string append alley. So now map of string has most and alley. So the whole trick here is to make use of the data type. After that, the problem is very easy. We're going to do the following. I'm going to iterate over all the dictionary values and then sort all of them and put them in list again. Now remember that the dictionary is actually preserving the order. So the order of the items that get inside here would be the same as the one we get here, respecting the order that appeared here. For example, the map will have an int, then we'll have a string, then we'll have a float, then we'll have a list. It will have the list of data types in this order. So we actually solved the order problem. At this moment, we have a list of data types, and within every data type, we have the items sorted. The remaining thing is just to do another list comprehension and mix all of them together. You might think, what if I can mix all of these two things in one query? For example, I do the following. Iterate over the dictionary values for every list, sort them, and then using the asterisk operator, we are unpacking all of them. Unfortunately, so far in the current Python, you cannot unpack in the comprehension. Maybe in the future, but at the moment you cannot do that. So the clue is to split over a couple of lines. That's all.